Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is an AEG Lava Therm tumble dryer. It's a condenser tumble dryer. It's a T56800. Everything's working on it now, except for this start button. It's missing. And you can start it with a pen, but that's no good. It's pretty crazy to have a machine like that. So I went on the internet, and you can't buy just one button, you've got to buy all of them. So I want this one. And it comes as a light cluster because the lights shine through. And it fits in there, and you can see that there's a load of lights here that won't be used along here, but I think it will use, it'll use all these ones on the right, and there's buttons missing, so you could have a button here and you could have a button over there on the left, but not for this model. So this is the particular part for the AEG 56800. So to get this off, I'm going to have to take off the front to get in behind it. And to do that, I'm going to have to take the top off, and to do that, I've got a couple of torque screws on the back. So there they are, a couple of screws, and then the top should just slide forward, I think, or back in this case, yeah. So now we're in, a couple of screws here on top, one on each side, torque screws again, one over here. I'm going to have to take out this. There's a couple more screws holding it on here. And this process will be the same for a lot of tumble dryers made by Electrolux and AEG, and also probably washing machines, because they have the same button arrangement, just slightly different. And then this just wiggles off forward. That's all. I didn't do anything special there, no clips, just wiggled it forward. And I might give that a bit of a clean as well before I put it back together. And then here's the button cluster. And again with a Torx screwdriver, this time it's a T10 I think. TX10. There's two screws here and here. And I'll give you a look at what broke on the old one. I need those screws for the next bit to put the next one back on. So this part here that the white button pushes against the button on the circuit board inside, and you can see someone here has been at it with a pen, and that's what I did as well, a pencil to poke it to turn it on. And it looks like from the white hazing here and here that they tried to glue the bit with super glue back on. That broke, but it didn't work, so it's gone. It's gone and it was lost. It wasn't me. So offer it up again. It'll only fit in one way. I don't think it clips in or anything like that. And then the screws back in, and then it's just a matter of snapping it all back together, I reckon. But we'll give it a test at the end, just to see that it comes on when we press the button. Second screw. That's it. It sounds... The start button, it feels like it's doing its thing. So I'll give this a clean. Okay, so with the cluster back on, and with this part cleaned, I've noticed there's a couple of tabs on the bottom. Three. One on each side and one in the center. No, just a couple actually. There's one on the right hand side, one in the center, and there's nothing on this side because this side's held on with screws. Just offer it up and kind of jiggle it into place, I guess. Is that what we did? Yep, that's it. We get all the screws back in then. Two screws on top. And another one, and we'll slide the top back on. That's it. And in here is one screw, and likewise on the other side. Okay, so that was a really easy repair. Let's see what happens if I put it on to 20 minutes. We get the lights coming on here, you can see them there, and the start lights flashing. We could press any of these, sensitive, flashing. Oh, it doesn't work for that kind of one. Audible signal, the light comes on there. They look like they're flashing, these are constant, and the start one's flashing. It's just a feature of the camera. Let's press start. That's it, it works. There's nothing more to it. There's nothing more to it. That was quite a satisfying and easy fix. I like that. Excellent. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments below, or any observations about what I did. That'd be excellent. Thanks for watching. See you later.